So we've caught a train down to Kaoshiung today. We got off at Zuying and we're just walking around the Lotus Lake. There's a wake park here and we're going to go walk around the dragon and tiger pagodas. It looks like the tiger pagoda is being renovated at the moment, which is a bit unfortunate, but we did see people coming out, so we're hoping we'll be able to go for a walk through as well. So let's go for a walk. So you can actually see the head of the tiger here. Looks like you can still go in, so you can see the outside or the head. We're going to go for a walk. Unfortunately, we can't really see the outside. There's some nice little turtles down in the lake as well, so let's go for a walk. So you can actually see the horns of the dragon there as well. So yeah, you walk out over this zigzag path and yeah, a little unfortunate, but hey, let's go have a look inside. And you can see the dragon over the other side as well, and a couple of other interesting looking things as well. So you walk through the mouth of the dragon. Nothing like a good old shot of the tiger's butt, right? So this is a view coming out at the back of the tiger. So you walk, or we're walking out in through the butt and then out through the front. And the tiger has some big teeth and big nostrils. There's a humid temple over the road. And our next stop is the Tung Temple. It's another dragon actually, so we'll go for a walk around here and see what we can see. It looks like you can walk in the mouth of the dragon again. So there's actually a guy wakeboarding over there on the wake park at the moment, so it's interesting. So there's actually a second dragon outside the second temple. Now both of these temples are called the Shaman Tung Temple. So yeah, one with a Q and one with an X. So very interesting. So we're going to go for a walk through the second dragon. There's no tiger on this one. each of the temples, there's a temple on the shore here again as well. Each of them has a pagoda that sticks out into the lake. So this one's a big Kung type guy, and the temple's over the road near the markets. We came across a really friendly guy just inside the pagoda here who gave us a rundown on how they use their little prayer or divination type blocks, which was really interesting. So they're two little moon or crescent shaped blocks that they throw as they're praying, or they drop, and it's basically if they land one up and one down in a yin and yang type position, they actually it actually means yes, I think, or perfect balance. So some of the other directions can mean uncertainty, which means you might want to rephrase your question. So yeah, really friendly guy Steve inside here giving out some info on how they enter through the left and the right. So we came down to the Kaoshiung Museum of History. It's in the old, I think it's the old school building over the road here. We discovered that it's a newer city because it was really built up by the Japanese when they took over Taiwan, and it was bombed heavily in the war because they had quite a few military installations here. So that's why Kaoshiung is or seems like a much newer city with not as many historical sites. So we've just come down the street in Tainan, and there's this place called the Puji Bakery, and it's like mega busy. There's people just streaming in and out. Just hold up yours, honey. And we've got this custard bun thing, which is just delicious, not super sweet. It's got some icingy lines on the top. It's like white bread with some cream custardy type filling, which is awesome. So for a Sunday afternoon snack, really good. Come down here and have a look. Come for a walk down the, I think it's the Yonglei Street night markets, which actually isn't open on a Sunday evening. This street dates back to the Qing dynasty, and it's remained pretty much the same ever since apparently. So night market down here, it's open during the day. Saturdays are like mega busy. We walked down here yesterday and it was so packed. So we're going for a walk down here again. There's a famous eel place restaurant nearby apparently, which we're going to go and check out as well. But we're going for a walk down here and yeah, let's have a look. Found another street just a little bit further down with all these old shop houses and that kind of thing. So
形象不劣，殿下七彩宝笑，连笑不偏。再来食了土人，食了男女，殿下很干事的，你顶下大彩虹。
famous eel noodles. What do we think of the noodles?
Looks good. It's very moist. The noodles is like, yeah, moist. I'm gonna try the eel and see how it tastes. Oh my god. It has this, the wok hei on this eel is like next level. Wok hei is there. And oh my god. I don't think he has washed his wok for like 30 years. Oh jeez. I regret not ordering more. I'm probably gonna order another one. And the noodles is like with those dry crispy noodle, and then he fries it separately, and then he cooks the eel, and he then dump the eel on top of the noodles. So they're cooked separately, and then the sauce is in there. This is sauce from the wok right there.
So even though I'm not a fan of eel, I figured I'd better try this. It does have that smoky sort of woky flavour with a bit of pepper or something in there, so it's actually very nice, even though
The line is building up as well.
eel wouldn't be my choice.
Should be a busy place tonight.
So yeah, we're at the Taipei Hotel, right near the station, and it is hilarious. Huge big room with a sauna and two big rooms that I swear the bedroom is bigger than our bedroom at home. So absolutely crazy. We've got this crazy bathroom with a sauna in it here. Absolutely crazy. Crazy. And a whole big living area. Last night, and we've come down to the Taoyuan area because we're staying here. We fly out tomorrow. So this is the Zhongli night markets behind us. We've just had this awesome mango pomelo sago concoction, which is absolutely beautiful. So I will show you a bit of a video of that. But yeah, it sets up along the street, and they block the street off to traffic, and yeah, they bring all of the stalls out. A lot of them come down on their scooters, and yeah, really interesting night market down here if you've got a night before you fly out.
This is the dessert that we ordered earlier, and so Sarah's gonna try it first.
That is very nice. It's very refreshing. The mango and pomelo stuff is like like all icy and tropical and coconutty mango.
It has all that flavor.
Yeah.
It's yeah. I don't know how to describe it. Pomelo, mango, sweet, coconut. I like a bit kind of custardy as well.
Creamy custardy stuff.
It's very
That's
good.
good.
It's very good, and it's cold. It's refreshing. Great for today. It's very humid, and we're eating it right in the intersection at the entrance of the Zhongli night market.